Introducing the Elementor Chart plugin by WPHOOP for powerful data visualization on WordPress sites. Easily integrate with Elementor Page Builder to create interactive line, column, area, and pie charts. Explore additional chart types like radar, funnel, tree map, and box plot for diverse data representation. Customize your charts with various data sources such as CSV files, APIs, databases, and Google Sheets. Effortlessly upload CSV files, retrieve data from databases, or connect Google Sheets for dynamic visualization. Adjust X-axis and Y-axis borders, data labels, markers, and legends for a personalized touch. Benefit from responsive design, ensuring optimal display on different devices. Choose from yearly or lifetime plans with discounts and features like live chat support. Select specific plans based on the number of sites, single site, 3 sites, or agency. Access comprehensive support, documentation, and FAQs for a seamless installation and customization process.